Hi boys and girls, today is going to be a short video, but something that you need to make sure that you know before tomorrow's lesson 8.4. On 8.4 we're going to be using our calculator, yay, to help us add and subtract our mixed number and improper fraction problems. So a quick tutorial on the buttons you'll need for tomorrow. Most of you have this calculator, it's TI-15. Some might have it most tools.
Calculator. So what we're going to do is go over the main 4 buttons that you're going to be using to input your numbers. Okay. We're going to be using these 4 buttons. I hope that you can see them well enough. Okay. The first one is unit. Okay. This button unit will be used to show the whole number when you want to type into your calculator a mixed number. Okay. You first want to tell your calculator, I have a whole number first, then a fraction. So after you put your whole number, you'll push this unit so that your calculator knows it's a whole number. Then you'll use this in for guess what? Numerator. Yep, in with a line under it is numerator. And then this one, D with a line above it is denominator. You'll use these buttons when you want to tell the calculator, I'm inputting a numerator and a denominator. I'm making a fraction. And then the last one here is simp. Simp stands for simplify. This means once you've gotten your answer to your problem and you want to make sure that it's in simplest form, you will click simp to make sure that you have it in simplest form. Okay? Okay, let's do some practice problems. If I wanted to show
2 and n for numerator. The n for numerator tells it to put it as the numerator and wait with the flashing arrow for the denominator. Then I'll push 4 and D as the denominator. And you can see it puts it as 2 wholes with the unit button and 2 fourths using the numerator and the denominator button. Okay? Now if I want to complete my problem, say I'm adding an improper fraction like 13 fourths. You can still input an improper fraction. Type the number 13, but I want that as my numerator, so I'll push in and it automatically puts it as the numerator. The flashing arrow waits for the D denominator. I'll push 4 and D denominator. So you can see it is inputted my problem just like you would write it if it was on paper. Okay? And then I'll push equal and it gives me my problem, my answer, 2 3/4. Okay, now let's try one where we might use the simplify button. If I was saying 8 and 3, final answer 8 and 1/2 is your answer. Okay.
So once again to review, we've got 4 buttons that you come tomorrow.
Final answer 8 and 1/2 is your answer. Okay.
So once again to review, we've got 4 buttons that you come tomorrow.